Today, we're going to be talking about how you can get extra rewards on your crypto exchange, and this is what we're seeing. Lucky boxes or draw chances. Now, to get draw chances, simply complete by signing up first and then, completing whatever you wish here. For example, futures grid, trading volume, DCA, referrals or event contracts. Personally, I did event contracts because they're easiest to get the draw chances. Then there's a chance to get a reward. So birthday showdown, 3.5 million rewards. Click here, scratch now, as it will automatically claim it. As you can see, I have one scratch, and what will I get? As you can see, I won 2 USDT. So I got a reward trial funds, I'm guessing, or $2 rewards. And then you can go over here. They said it's under vouchers. So look at that. It should receive under notifications recently. And then you could actually see you have received trial funds. A $2 USDC exclusive trial fund has been credited to your account. So bam. And then you have $2 vouchers, and you can unfreeze it or you can claim it, for example, loyalty reward. They do have lots of interesting rewards, and you can use it in that matter for free. So we're going to go over here. This is a 2 USDC futures trials fund. And that's it. It's going to say over here that you can claim it. And there we have it. So I'm going to do a $2 one, and I'll keep you guys updated. Link in the description below.